Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name in your PayPal account, even if you're a complete beginner and you don't have any bank account linked to PayPal. This is the exact process you can follow on any PayPal personal account. First, open your browser and log into your PayPal account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the top right corner and click on the Settings icon. It looks like a small gear. This will open your account settings page. Here you'll see your profile details such as your name, email, phone number, and other information. To change your name, look for the section that shows your current name. On the right side of that, you'll see an option that says Update. Click on that. PayPal will now show you 3 different name change options. The first one is Change Your Legal Name. This is for when your real legal name has changed, for example, after marriage or official documentation updates. The second option is Update Your Name. This is for fixing small mistakes or spelling errors. And the third option is Add a Nickname, which lets you add an additional name that you commonly use. Choose the option that fits what you want to do. For most people, it will be either correcting a spelling mistake or updating their legal name. Once you choose an option, PayPal will ask you to upload documents. If you're updating your legal name, you'll need a government-issued ID or official certificate showing the new name. If you're just correcting a small typo, PayPal usually asks for a simple document, like an ID card or a utility bill showing the correct spelling. Click Choose Files, upload the required document, and then hit Submit. After you submit the request, PayPal's review process usually takes a little time. You'll get an email when your name change request is approved. You don't need a bank account linked to PayPal to complete this process. All you need is a valid ID or document that matches the name you want to use. And that's it. This is how you change your name in your PayPal account, from start to finish. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.